What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Since this pandemic, I've been flying around with little tiny drones and finding all these little micro machines to operate indoors to have fun with this hobby. And so I just wanted to show you guys an unboxing of this guy. I've grown pretty fond of these. As I've said before, this is the Turbo Racing 176 scale remote control sports car. So this is the newer version. Let's have a look at what's in the box. Here it says Turbo Racing, Table Racing, Top Racing. It has the ready to run emblem on there. It has the throttle limit, advertisement, 20%, 50%, and 100%. Let's pop it open and see what we get inside. So we're greeted with this steps for usage guide. It's double-sided. And then we have the user's manual here. It's in 2 different languages. So also we have 2 of these body shells here, and it comes with the accessories underneath them. So we have 2 of them. Let's put them to the side. And here's the car. Awesome little micro machine here. Perfect for indoor fun during the pandemic. And so let's set that to the side and open this up. Let's dive further in. We have the transmitter here. It has to be assembled, but it's not too hard. You just slide this on here. It clicks in place, and there you go, the transmitter here. And last but not least, we have this charging cable, and it has this binding plug, which is actually just a body pin from a larger RC car. If you guys can see that, it's USB type C. So that's pretty awesome. Just one thing to note, these transmitters here of the new one, they're actually compatible with the power supply from the older one. So check it out. It can be powered by this one. Let me see, it's a little hard to get that clicked in from behind the camera, but check it out. See, we have power and everything. So you can use the older power supply from the older transmitters. This is the newer version here. Just thought you guys might want to know that in case you needed to swap it out or whatnot, whatever the case may be. And so this is all we have that comes in the box. The 176 scale remote control sports car. Thanks for watching.